when you want to reverse data, sometimes you need to know a little trick. So here we've got dates. In theory, it should be quite easy. This is the latest to the earliest. In theory, we should be able to go sort on the date. When I say OK, you'll see it's got a little bit confused. But more importantly, it's not seen the date, it's actually seen the letters. So you'll see the Aprils are together, the Augusts, etc. So I'm just going to undo. So the way around this is to create a little column. I'm just going to put a 1 and a 2 here. And all we do is we create each line has its own number. And then it's as simple as highlighting that area, sorting. This time we're going to say sort on column C. This is going smallest to largest. We want it the other way around, largest to smallest. And we say OK, this is now reversed, so we go from the earliest date to the latest date.